Economic growth could deteriorate sharply this year as the country engages in the bitter trade war with the United States. Barclays analyst said in a note, although Beijing is likely to increase its stimulus measures, Barclays said that China gross domestic product could fall between 1.5% and 3%, especially as the United States President Donald Trump imposed a cumulative 145% tariff against the country. China had retaliated by imposing 125% tariff on the American products. Barclays said that it estimates for the China's GDP took into account uncertainties over the potential retaliation by the Beijing. Also, the tariff reduction and the fiscal stimulus in the other European Union and the US trading partners and the US rolling back at some tariffs are also deteriorating. The White House had last week said that the electronic import would be exempt from the Trump's 145% reciprocal tariff, with the United States President clarifying that the move was temporary and that he will announce the separate tariff on the electronics this week. Barclays also flagged potential for the collaboration and adjustments in the bilateral trade between China and its other major trading partners. The brokerage also flagged the potential for more fiscal stimulus in the China with the ultra-long treasury bonds expected by summer. A particular point to focus and of focus will be that the China's measure that is aimed at supporting the household finances and also the spending. Increased spending on the China's artificial intelligence effort is also expected to help spur growth. While we expect the government to step up the fiscal stimulus, we think that escalating trade war between China and the United States will have a deflationary effect, given that the downward pressure on exports would exacerbate China's problem with overcapacity, Barclays analyst wrote in a note. Also, China's trade balance ballooned past expectations in March on the stellar export growth as the local manufacturers were seen front-loading United States shipment before the imposition of the Trump tariff. Trade data for April is expected to provide a clearer picture on how the Chinese trade will be impacted by the trade war with the United States.